爆発しそうな勢いの。
やだ、爆発するのこれ。
はい。
No!
Kind of messy today. Here's my closet. Yeah, I can just show you half of them today, but I have a lot of Barbie clothes. Barbie dress. Even some simple clothes like this, so you don't see any Barbie logo outside, but actually it's Barbie clothes. Like that. I have a lot of clothes from Barbie brand. Yeah, all from Barbie. Barbie dress. More Barbie. The Barbie top. Another Barbie top. The Barbie skirt.
Is it also from Barbie?
This one is not. So my clothes is either Barbie brand or pink.
Okay.
Yeah. So if it was not pink like this, it has to be Barbie. If you see something black here, it's always Barbie brand. So Barbie or pink. This scarf, Barbie, and then some Barbie purses, more Barbie bags.
She has a lot of outfits.
I know. I have a lot of clothes, but still, I always feel like, I have nothing to wear.
Yeah, I know.
I always
how
say
I
that.
feel.
Yeah. No, all Barbie shorts. Yep. My closet. From top to bottom, like I put something. Like I use a lot of organizers, and I feel like it's a limit for this closet.
Yeah.
And did you notice even inside of closet I painted?
Yeah, it's slightly
Yeah,
pink.
Pink. Yep. Yeah, the little things makes really big change, I think. So here's the last part, my Barbie bathroom. Yeah. Before going inside, I want to show you this. My Oatly Hepburn Barbie art. Yeah. I customized, so she's really special now. 1000 pieces Barbie puzzle. I did it in 6 hours. Oh. Okay. Are you ready to go? The doll collection, right? That's my Barbie bathroom. The Barbie shower curtain. And all little pieces are literally Barbie. The Barbie makeup pouches. And Barbie perfumes. Barbie candles. Barbie canisters. Barbie toilet. Yeah. And more Barbie toys. Yep. And Barbie countertop. Hand soap is Barbie too. And I recently got this hair product. The Barbie. The outside looks Barbie. Another Barbie. This one is DIY Barbie cabinet. Yeah, those are all Barbie robes and Barbie gowns. Still has tag. Barbie poster and the Barbie cosmetic bags. I'm having quarantine Barbie lunch. No, it's not related to Barbie, but I'm having some Uber Eats lunch today. Yay! And I wanted to show you because I ordered something unique. So it's a place called Manpuku Barbecue Restaurant. It's Japanese barbecue restaurant. You know, it's literally my favorite place in LA. And they have delivery things, but you know, it's not cooked yet. So they can order some raw meat and we can grill at home. But you need to have something like this, you know. And I have like portable, what do you call it? Plate?
Hot plate.
Hot plate? And then, yeah, it's like this thing. Yeah, whatever you call. And remember, I did one time pink takoyaki cooking video. Yeah, it's the same thing, but I can adjust. You know, I can switch the plate part. So we're gonna have barbecue lunch at home today. I'm gonna open this. I will show you what they gave us. What is it?
Garlic
Garlic rice. Yeah, we ordered garlic rice.
kimchi.
Kimchi. Smells so good.
What's that?
すごい。
Meat.
Beef tongue. And what's the name? 座布団。座布団。満腹。満腹。うわ、美味しそう。
美味しそうじゃん。
Look at this. What's this pink thing? 漬物
Maybe.
Pickles. Do you know what I noticed? Like during this COVID-19 thing, since we always wear face masks, so I don't need to be worried about having garlic. めっちゃ美味しそうなんだけど、これ。
めっちゃ美味しそうね。
わあ、美味しそう。こんな感じ。And now there's no traffic, so delivery was really quick, right? It
Yeah.
didn't take even
I thought it would take like an hour, but it's just like
Not
15
even-
minutes. No,
not
it's like
even だよね。45
45
minutes.
minutes. It was supposed to be 15 minutes, but
It was faster.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's still warm. Warming up. おかわりもあるよ。
楽しそう、本当に。
めっちゃ楽しい。めっちゃ楽しい。じゃあこれね、キムチね。
すごい熱いんだけども。
We have kimchi ね。So beef tongue one has Chinese green onion
そう
on
持っ
it.
てった方がいいかも。
こんな感じ。If you didn't want to barbecue at home, they could grill at restaurant. But we wanted to use this today, so that's why we ordered raw meat. 焼くよ。
いいよ。
超楽しい。
いいよ
焼肉久しぶり。お
いいよ、詰まってる。
10おうち焼肉中Japanese BBQ. Can I also put this one?
Yeah, sure.
イエーイめっちゃ美味しそうな匂いしてる。あ、もうあんま焼かない、あんま焼かない。もういいよ。
裏返して。
ほら
あ、いいじゃん、いいじゃん、いいじゃん、いいじゃん。あ、めっちゃ美味しそう。
めっちゃ美味しそう。
いいね。
美味しそう。
超楽しいんだけど。
めっちゃ楽しい。やばい、ちょっと待って、まだ開けるわ。
あ、そうね、匂いすごいね。閉めて、閉めて。
これ、もう
ちょ
食べてていいよ。
めっちゃいい感じ。
あ、食べよ
超美味しそうなんですけど。
美味しそうう。せーの、いただきます。やばい、お肉からいく。やばい、美味しそう。いただきます。
どうですか？
焼肉。
幸せ。
めっちゃ美味しい。めっちゃ美味しい。
絶対ご飯美味しいよ。
なんじゃこりゃ。
どう？
やめ。すごい美味しいこれ。食べて。
食べる。
美味しい。ご飯やば。柔らかい。美味しいね。美味しい。
初めてこんなタイプのガーリックライス。
面白いね。
なんかいろいろ入ってる。
しば漬け。
うんうんうんうん。
So we're gonna have cotton candy. I usually have this cotton candy machine as candy canister. So first I have to pick them up. I like, I don't know, spilling candies all over. Literally all over. Oh my god. What flavor would you like? So
What
we have
flavor do you have?
so watermelon, bubblegum, orange. Wait, is that orange? Watermelon, another watermelon, pomegranate. I want to do watermelon.
Do you have bubble gum?
バブガムはこれ。
ああ、じゃあそれで。I'll go for bubble gum。これ好きで買ったの？綿あめ作りが好きで買ったんだ。
欲しくて買った。
割れないよ。
待って。I wanna put one more. I'm making the watermelon one.
So she put the candy with the bar. With the paperboard.
Okay. あ、でも匂いしてきた。ほらほら、舞ってる。宙に舞ってんだよなんか。
あ、見える見える見える糸みたいなの。
あ、増えてきた。
あ、すごいすごいすごい、ついてきたついてきた。すっごい揺れてる。
振動がやばい。こんなに揺れたっけなって思う。
ちゃんとできない。
めっちゃ出てきためっちゃ出てきてる。
いい匂いじゃん。
あ、出てる出てる出てる。爆発しそうな勢いの。
やだ、爆発すんのこれ。
はい。
No!
Only this much is like a real cotton candy bar.
It's-
Let me try this first.
美味しい？
ここは美味しい。ここは美味しい。ふわふわ。Thanks for watching my room tour video. Hope you have fantastic Barbie quarantine. Bye bye.